Hello everyone. Today we are exploring Monaco again. This is second part of the video. In the first part we visited a beautiful Japanese garden and today we will just walk around the city. If you haven't seen part 1, the link will be in the description box below. The garden was just magic. We arrived by train from Nice and it's very easy to get there by train. I also will highly recommend to buy public transport pass which includes trains as well. It's very cost efficient. This is famous road where the Formula 1 race takes place. The center of the town. Everything is lush and green.
Yeah, very nice. And this is, I guess, food.
Very nice green space just before the famous casino.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Oh, I just forgot to say what it was shot just at the very end of winter. Modern sculpture, which calls sky mirror by Anish Kapoor. And this is the famous Monaco casino. The casino building and all the buildings around it are built in a very elegant architectural style. You can look at them for a long time. This is same building but from the seaside. There are usually fewer tourists here, so you can look at everything more calmly. We also found a very interesting park here that is located on the roof of another building.
It's another roof garden. Quite yeah, possibly. Very colorful. Magnolia grandiflora.
Look at that car, what a color! It was beautiful day in Monaco and it was already quite late and we decided to go home. But we will be here next day as well. The next day the weather wasn't so beautiful like day before, but still wasn't too bad and we decided to explore Japanese garden and area around it. So you can't walk there, you need to take public transport. From the window, the streets slowly change with view of the sea and neat parts of Monaco. The bus moves down winding roads and each turn shows a new beautiful views. It's a simple ride where you can just look outside and enjoy the atmosphere.
Arrêt Portier.
About 10 minutes and we have arrived.
Можемо тут ходити.
So the first stop, like I said, was Japanese garden. It's absolutely beautiful place and I made very detailed video about this garden. So you could enjoy it and link will be below in the description box. It is corner of peace in the busy town and you could visit it for free. And nearby, very interesting area which calls Maratera. It is Monaco's newest district, which was built on a land reclaimed from the sea and opened in 2024. The project cost around 2 billion euros and focuses on modern, eco-friendly living. Here you can find a marina, seaside promenade, green parks, and luxury homes. It's one of the most expensive and exclusive areas in Monaco. The architecture here is very modern and designed by famous architects like Renzo Piano. Building use natural and modern materials like stone, wood, glass and metal, and they're made to blend with the sea and nature. Some homes even look like ships. Prices are extremely high, usually from about 80,000 to over 100,000 euros per square meter, and even higher for the best views. You can also find very unusual public spaces here. The Crystal Room is a space decorated with natural crystals and minerals. It is designed to create a calm and unique atmosphere. With light reflecting through the crystals, visitors come here to relax, enjoy the beauty, and experience something unusual. The Blue Grotto is another unusual place, and here you have absolutely different feeling. You can feel the power of the water and energy of the sea. You can also see the technology behind, how the people build the district right on the water. The supports that holds up the buildings are clearly visible. The landscape in this district is very original and eco-friendly. Large green spaces, gardens, and parks are integrated with the buildings, creating a natural flow between architecture and nature. Walking here, you can see how carefully the designers combine plants, water features, and open spaces to make the area both beautiful and sustainable.
It's the same color, but it's like stone. Where is red? Next to it, grayish. Doesn't feel. I thought it was.
So, our work for today almost over, and I would like to say thank you very much for working with us. If you like this video, please put your thumb up, leave your comment. Did you like the area? Have you been there? What do you think about this place? And of course, subscribe if you haven't done it yet for many more beautiful gardens and fantastic places. Now I have to say, have a nice day and see you soon. Goodbye.